In this video, you'll see how to filter within a module. Let's start in the contacts module. We'll start with the keyword search in the search field. This search will result in all the contacts with the keyword hunt. You can remove this search by clicking the X in the search field. If you want to search by other fields, click the filter dropdown and select create. This opens a dropdown to select the field, the operation, and the value for your filter. Sugar's list view defaults to 20 records displayed per page. You can see all the records in the search results by clicking the Select All checkbox and then clicking the Select All Records hyperlink, which now displays a total of 93 records. Let's search the Leads module next. We'll create a new filter with the lead source field having any of the following options: existing customer, self-generated, or employee. This results in 39 records. You can now narrow down that search even more by adding another search field. This time we'll add the state field that exactly matches New York, and as you can see, it narrows the results to 8 records. We can save this search result by giving it a name and clicking the Save button. To access this save search, all you have to do is go to the filter menu, click the Save Search title. You can even update the save search by clicking the name in the search field and adding or removing search criteria and then clicking Save again.